Hakarta kaba kiwei ki klung bun kidang tlun ban kren henrei wei heprit ubadang arsnem shpau benai nag snong melim madan yings im ubakertleng ujud menat kriem ula deben yo pedeng daka kusnam Indian Book of Records arhajar arpsan kum u heprit ubastat tam kani ka kusnam ba uni u heprit uyo kadei namar ka jingla jong u ban jubab lot ya ki jingkylli ki bai debet ka solar system baru halor ka hau ka ba ula pendap hadu nyo penriu teli ki jingkylli tang hi ki khat sau minit tam ya ka jing start ber ki jing syampang jong uni u heprit rasaki paj ba lang ru ha ka jing yalang penkup buram ya ki samla puli ki bala pas bha bala penlong da ka NPP melim baro ki kendet haba ki nong penyat ki penbena bau heprit ubadang ars nem tam un jubab ki jingkylli ki ban sakeli da upai jong uhi upai Richard Karpuri hanrei klem bakla uni u heprit ula jubab lot ya baro ki jingkylli ha ka kten English ki bala keli da upai halor ka solar system nagleng ke NPP kum ki jing itu ya katai ki jing sempang jong u heprit Jude kala penlong ru ya ka jing penkup buram kerpang ha kani kasngi
kun siu dong yo haging sia create ya record ha ka Indian Book of Records changka solar system bat ka space kumulai thu menne ula wan jubab nyau pendriu teli ki jingkylli tang hapo khat sau minute point some seconds ke udang dap tang arsnem sipau benai ha puar bu yo eka award umpan day school ndrei lo yo eka award but ni ulang ba compare nadu udang dap ndru benai lahi kai ka keme kumno ban itu I colors kumno ban itu ye kimra kumno ban itu sinte ba kumta tartar hadian ni syam dala penhikai keme ni syam bu de khulung ba kham dan ka jabing te ni la kham train susu yu but ni layale ya tu ka haka Indian Book of Records ka baka headquarter jongki kadang apo ariana mengi isu yale online ya question ni ask mengi nilai online but ni sapha sathe te hadian betul study nadong sadong nanti tekila Jude une but ki amul la create ya record haka asnem shipobnai la create record bau lala penjubab katu teli ki jingkylli bat ngatrai kani ka record bu print mu ngam trai andang bala su ban break nomor ars nem sipo benai tang ban keren baharu 4 like ndrei ne ngang jingkylli u menta ka English nomor ba ngi kai English ndai ba umnang kasi unang bahak tin melim ru tang ba nomor ba la sajam lin man jingkylli English yang pilih English yes Jude Menat Priyan. Can you tell your name, please?
Jude Menat.
Okay. What is the name of your mother?
Name?
Yeah. What is the name of your mother?
Mama.
Mama. What is her name?
Double C.
Level Fee. Okay. So, can you tell me how many planets are there in solar system?
8.
8. Good. Very good. Can you name them?
Mercury, Venus and Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune too.
Very good. Okay. Can you tell me something about Mercury?
It's the closest to the sun.
Good. Then, is it how much big it is?
It's 3 times bigger.
No. Wrong. Mercury is the largest planet. Is it?
No,
What planet is it then, Mercury?
smallest one.
Yes, correct. How many days it take, Mercury, how many days does it take to orbit around the sun?
88.
Very good. Okay, tell me something about the Venus.
It's the hottest planet in the whole solar system.
Very good. The hottest planet in the whole solar system. Now, can you tell me something about the Earth?
It's where we live.
Pardon?
It's where we live.
It is where we live. Okay. What else? Can you tell me something about the earth?
It is life planet.
It is
Life
planet. Okay. Now, can you tell me something about Mars?
It's the red planet.
It is the red planet. Okay. How many moons does Mars have?
What?
How many moons does Mars have?
2.
2 moons. Can you name them?
Phobos and Deimos.
Very good. After Mars, which planet it comes?
Jupiter
Jupiter. Can you tell me something about Jupiter?
is the biggest of all planets.
It is the biggest of all the planets. Very good. How many moons does planet Jupiter have?
59.
59 moons. Correct. Can you tell me something about Saturn?
It is the planet who has rings.
It is the planet who has rings. Very good. And what about Uranus? Can you tell me something about Uranus?
It's the icy planet.
It is the icy planet. Can you tell me something about Neptune?
It's the far from the sun.
It is the farthest planet from the sun. Very good, Jude, man at Korean. That's right. Katu lah biang kila yatim. Tak. Kublai Shibun.
Bless you, Thank you.